everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing my summer 2020 Walmart beauty box or sample box. I don't know. I haven't even opened it yet. So let's go ahead and get this open. I will say that after last month, I decided to go in. I had to update my credit card anyway because, or not last month, this is a quarterly box. I went in, had to update my credit card because I have a Walmart credit card and they had sent me a new one. Walmart just recently switched companies that run their credit card or whatever. So I had to go in and update my credit card. So when I updated my credit card, I updated my birth date because Walmart apparently does two different boxes. They do a mature box. It's not called mature, but I don't know what they call it. They have two different boxes. One for the younger people, one for the older people. I think it's 35 or 30, 35 might be the breakoff point. I don't know. As far as Walmart's concerned, I'm now 21 years old. Okay, let's go ahead and open it up. So let's see what it is. This is $5 per quarter and I'm dropping things. And they send you a bunch of little samples in there. Now, I did just get an email saying that they were now going to start charging me sales tax. In the past, what they've said is that it's a free box, but they're charging you $5 for shipping. Now they're saying it's going to be $5 plus tax. So there's that. I had to pick up the item that I dropped. Anyway, so it is just a bunch of samples in here. Let's see. There are a couple of cards. There is a card for something called Natural Vitality Calm. Dickinson's Witch Hazel Skincare. And then scan the QR code if you want to win a gift card. So, all right. Like I said, $5. And I am in Pennsylvania, so I have 6% sales tax. So is that $5.30 will be what I pay from now on? So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm actually kind of excited. It's a full-size toothbrush from the brand Hello. And this is the charcoal infused tapered bristles. Naturally friendly BPA free toothbrush. And it's literally just a charcoal infused toothbrush. And I'm excited about that. Is that weird? Am I just old? And that makes me excited? I don't know. Someone in my house will definitely use this. In fact, I know exactly who it is going to be. My husband. He loves these kind of things. So that's cool. No card that says what is in here, and that's okay. The next item is the Calm item, Natural Vitality Calm. It's a magnesium supplement, which is good to have depending on who you are and what your diet's like. I personally eat a low-carb diet, so magnesium is not something that I get in all of my diet. And it's a good thing to supplement with. Anyway, raspberry lemon flavor. I guess you just add this to water. It uses stevia, so that's good for sweetening. 2 to 3 ounces of warm water. Let your drink fizz. Stir the drink until the powder is completely dissolved. Then fill the remainder of the cup with warm or cold water. Okay, there you go. Next item, there's actually 6 items in here, so that's pretty cool for $5, I think. This is from Hello. I guess to go with the toothpaste. This is from Hello. It's the hemp seed oil and coconut oil natural fresh spearmint extra freshening fluoride-free toothpaste. I'm going to give this to my older son, my son who is 20 years old, who's only 1 year younger than me as far as Walmart's concerned. He's 20 years old. He actually has an allergy to, I forget what it's called, but there's an ingredient in most toothpaste, and he only literally found this out like a year ago. But he has an allergy to something that's in most toothpaste that actually make his gums shed, for lack of a better word. And there's only some toothpaste that don't have them. Typically it is things that are like more for sensitive teeth and stuff. Hello is one of the brands that does that, as well as like Sensodyne is another one. We know that those two toothpastes are something that he can use because of that. I never even knew it was happening to him. He went to the dentist one time, and I mean, he's been going to his dentist 2 times a year his whole life, right? But he went to the dentist, like I said, it was like maybe 1.5 years, 2 years ago, and the hygienist noticed that his gums were doing this thing, and she was like, "Did they always do that?" He's like, "Yeah, like my whole life they've been doing that." And she's like, "Well, you may want to try this." And he did, and he was like, "Oh my God, I had no idea that was a thing." So just in case you're wondering, I don't have that problem. My husband doesn't have that problem. He never told us he had the problem. He just assumed it was normal because it was always what happened to him. So, all right, the next item in here is from Degree. It is a dry spray, ultra clear, black and white. This is a deodorant. I will not use antiperspirant, excuse me. It is an antiperspirant. I will not use this because I don't use antiperspirant. I stopped using it, 7 or 8 years ago, something like that. I stopped using antiperspirant because I was having issues and I kept getting lumps, actually, under my armpits. And now I use deodorant. I just use natural deodorant. I actually have one here. This is from Kapari. I also use one, what's it called? Hold on. I just dug in my empties box. This is the one that I normally use. This is the Crystal Mineral Deodorant. But I've been trying that Kapari one out. So I just usually use a deodorant. I don't use an antiperspirant. And for a million years, not a million years, I'm 21 after all. For most of my life, I used an antiperspirant. And I was always like, there's no way I could do this. I just can't. I sweat too much. I felt that actually once I detoxed from antiperspirant, like the first couple of weeks, after stopping, I was sweating pretty badly. But then after like 2 weeks, I just don't sweat as much anymore in my armpits. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. But I've heard it from other people too, that once you stop using an antiperspirant and you switch over to a deodorant, your body slows down the production of sweat. That's not scientific. I'm not a scientist. I'm an IT person. Okay. Anyway, moving on. This is from NYX. This is the hashtag. This is everything lip oil. Sheer sky blue. Is it actually blue? Like, it looks blue, right? Is this going to make my lips blue? All right. I'm not going to open it right now. I'm going to put this in my box for the end of the month, and if I don't use it in my end of month get ready with me video, this is probably going to go to one of you all, or let me know in the comment section down below if you have tried something like this, and let me know if it actually makes your lips blue. I'm curious. Let me know. All right, and then the last item in here is actually a fairly large size. It's 3.3 fluid ounces. It's the Dickinson's Enhanced Witch Hazel Hydrating Toner with rose water. So I tried the Pixie by Petra toner that had witch hazel in it, and I do not like it. There are some people who love that stuff and like buy it time after time after time. I don't like the scent of it. This is with rose water though, so I'm curious to see if this smells different. It does smell different. I might actually really like that. Okay, I'm going to give that a try. But that is what it looks like. You can get all these things at Walmart, actually. So, let's go back through my box. This is $5. I paid $5 for this. Starting with the fall quarter, I'm going to be paying $5.30. But whatever, I paid $5 for this. I got a 3 fluid ounce of toner. A antiperspirant, which is going to go in my giveaway drawer. One of you all will get that. The toothpaste, which you would pay $1. It's 1 ounce of toothpaste. You would pay $1 at least for this, $1.50 depending on where you buy samples and stuff. Hello is a good brand. The toothbrush, which is definitely at least a couple of dollars for this toothbrush. The Magnesium Supplement, which I think is just kind of like a gimme. And then the 1/4 ounce, 8 milliliters of the lip oil. I do like the Walmart box. There was a rough time there for a little while where I wasn't really thrilled with the items that I was getting. But I like it. It's inexpensive. It's not makeup it's not all makeup, which is what I typically like when I'm getting a box. But I feel like I get my value in this box. Side note, I heard that Target is discontinuing their sample box, which really, really makes me sad. I also heard that Walmart is actually redoing their box. So I don't know what it's going to look like from this point forward. I do think it's starting with the fall box. Not 100% certain, but I think it's starting with the fall box, is that they're like redoing it. So we'll see. Anyway, I enjoy this box. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Do you like this? Like I said, it was $5. It's a bunch of samples that I think is definitely worth the $5. And if you like this video, thumbs up is always appreciated. If you haven't already and you would like to be, please hit subscribe. I do appreciate it very, very much. And if you have any comments, go ahead and leave those in the comment section down below as well. I do always appreciate hearing from you all. And I think that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye.